Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be solving this wonderful Olympiad mathematics question. Now we are given that if x is equals to 1 over the square root of 2 plus 1, find the square root of s raised to the power of 3 plus 2s squared minus x plus 8. So I'm going to start by writing this expression. To write x equal to 1 all over the square root of 2 plus 1. My next step now will be to multiply this expression here now by its conjugate. So we say multiplied by the square root of 2 minus 1 all over the square root of 2 minus 1. So then we'll continue again. Now 1 multiplied by this, we have x now. 1 multiplied by this, we have the square root of 2 minus 1 all over. Now root 2 plus 1 multiplied by root 2 minus 1 is a difference of 2 squares. So on multiplying these two terms now, we'll get 2 minus 1. So therefore we say x is equal to root 2 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Then now we continue again. X is equal to root 2 minus 1 divided by 1 is what? Root 2 minus 1. So that is for x now. Then now my next step now will be to take this minus 1 to the left hand side. So we will now have x plus 1 equal to root 2. My next step will be to what? Square both sides of this equation. So I'm going to square both sides of this equation. So we say square here, so square, then also square here. So now I'm going to expand this. Upon expansion of this, I'll get x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to, so I expand this. Now I got this. Now I'm going to expand the square root of 2. On expansion of the square root of 2, I got 2. Then now I'm going to take this plus 1 to the right hand side. So we have x squared plus 2x equal to, now this 2, then this plus 1, I'll take it to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 1. So we say, we continue again, we write x squared plus 2x will be equal to 1. So I've gotten x squared plus 2x equal to 1. My next step now will be to write out this expression that I'm going to find. So I'm going to write it out. I'll say the square root of x power 3 plus 2x squared minus x plus 8. So now I'm going to factorize just this s raised to the power of 3 and 2s squared, but I'm not going to factorize it up to the HCF level. So I'll say x, put the square root again. I'll just bring out x. Now s raised to the power of 3 divided by x is what? S squared. So you see x squared, then plus 2s squared divided by x is what? 2x. Then close my bracket. Then we have minus x plus 8. Then we continue again. We continue again and write the square root sign again. So here is what? We say x. Now s squared plus 2x is the same thing as 1. So I will just put it in a bracket. S bracket 1 close my bracket, then minus this x plus 8. This x squared plus 2s is 1, so that's why we put 1 here. Then we continue again. The square root of s times x is what? S times 1 is x minus this other x, then plus 8. So x minus s, that's 0. So we are just left with what? The square root of 8. And we know that the square root of 8 is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 2. Then we continue again. We can write this square root of 4 times 2 as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Now what is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2, so here will become 2 multiplied by the square root of 2. So my final solution for the square root of s to the power of 3 plus 2s squared minus x plus 8 is equal to 2 root 2. So this is my final solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.